Hi, I'm Amy Farley and I'm the Claims and Compliance Manager for the Marches Centre of Manufacturing and Technology. Here at MCMT we have got 36,000 square feet of dedicated engineering training to benefit the businesses across the engineering sector. MCMT Skills for Growth programme is a project which is fully funded by the European Social Fund, where we are giving companies, SMEs across Shropshire and Telford the opportunity to engage with our business development advisors to take part in a skills audit which will look at the full business, the business plan for the future, and how skills is important to that business and how that's going to produce the growth that's required in the company. The support's on offer to any SMEs across Shropshire and Telford. Our main industry is supporting the engineering and manufacturing sector, covering aerospace, automotive, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, including food and drink. But also we're looking at areas such as retail. The project is available to an SME based in Shropshire and Telford that is looking to either grow the business or wants to recover from the impact of COVID. We're delivering this project mainly because the economy needs it. The economy needs skills to grow and develop. We need to be focusing on those that have got skills within a business and how we utilise that, and the skills analysis really looks at how we're utilising those skills within the business to help support the growth of the company. But also as well, the skills analysis would look at the skills gaps and also how we can fill those gaps and what intervention is needed to deliver that growth plan. I think now more than ever this project is really important. So we've been running this project since January 2019. We were lucky to get an extension awarded in December 2020. So now the project runs up until December 2023, and I think now more than ever with the COVID recovery, especially we feel here that businesses have been hit twofold by leaving the EU and then COVID. The Skills for Growth project is really there now to assist those businesses in the recovery from COVID, whether that's a positive impact COVID's had or a negative. We've seen lots of the engineering and manufacturing, especially being bike manufacturing, that the business is booming and actually the business has grown tenfold. But there's also companies like that have had a huge negative impact. MCMT, the Skills for Growth programme, and MCMT as a business can support either one of those, whether that's the positive that they've grown, we can support the growth by introducing new talents to increase productivity, or again on the negative side of things we can help support you by having a positive referral system in place, support you through any actions required from the business. To engage in the Skills for Growth project, then what would happen is you would first of all have a conversation with our business development advisors who would give you advice on sort of the next steps. Now that would normally be a skills action plan where they would look at your business plan, how skills are needed in the business and where we go from there and what's in place. Now if that's something that we don't deliver here at MCMT, then we're always looking at other options, and we've got a whole partnership with the universities, the Growth Hub, the Chambers to be able to offer that support and resource. So even if it's something that you think isn't on our website, a company looks and it's not on our website and there's something that you think we can't support in, then there's always that getting in touch, because there's also that positive referral system. Once the skills action plan is taken place, we will then recommend to you some of the fully funded courses that we've got available. So that might be something in Excel, it might be something in digital accounting, or it could be the metrology, it could be CNC, welding, or anything on the technical side as well. The MCMT Skills for Growth programme really can support your business through change, through the recovery from COVID, but it also can help you really think about your business and where you see your business in 5 years' time and what that really looks like to you. It helps you reach the ambition of the business. It's important now that the SMEs across Shropshire and Telford engage with the project now, because the money's not going to be here forever, and we need to really take advantage of those ESF programmes that are available now so we can drive the skills forward. So if the SMEs in Shropshire and Telford are interested in anything to do with the project, then please get in touch with us via our website. You can contact us through the inquiries page.